Hey, it's Teresa with my lice advice, and today I'm talking about red head lice. If you found a red bug, then this is the video for you. Let's get to it.
Before getting started, just so you know who I am, my name's Teresa with myliceadvice.com, and I'm a registered nurse, and I actually specialize in head lice.
So if you've discovered lice, don't freak out. Just go to myliceadvice.com. I have step-by-step videos. I'll walk you through how to get rid of it. So if you found a red bug and you're not sure if it's head lice, let's first go over what head lice typically looks like. So when they are first born, they are teeny, teeny, tiny. They're pretty much invisible because they have a see-through body and they're small. But as they grow older into being adults, a couple weeks later, they become the size of a sesame seed. So that's what people are talking about when they say they're sesame seed size. And as they get older, they also start to have a color to them. They're typically a different color depending on the color of your hair. So in this picture here, you can see lots of different colors of lice. These are all lice bugs that I pulled off of different people's heads. And you'll see these lighter colored ones. These are younger, or they've come off of somebody with lighter colored hair, like blonde hair. And then there's this brown one. This came off of somebody that's a brunette. These black lice bugs here, these came off of somebody that has black hair. Now this red lice bug, what does this one mean? Now to explain this, I want to show you one of these translucent lice bugs. Do you see this dark line in the middle? This is their gut. So when they eat something, this is the area it's going to go to. Lice feed on your blood. They are like vampires. They have to feed on your blood multiple times a day. So after they feed, this gut here becomes bigger and it actually can be red because you'll see the blood that's inside of that. But in addition to that, for these translucent looking lice bugs, their whole body can be tinged red. So basically, if you see a red lice bug, it's because that lice bug has just fed on your blood. So if you're finding red head lice, it doesn't mean anything except for that they just fed on your blood, which is typical. They feed on your blood multiple times a day. Now, if you found a bug in your hair and you're still not sure whether or not it's head lice, the best thing you can do is look for lice eggs, also known as nits. And basically what these are is that lice bugs lay little eggs inside the hair. And these eggs are actually glued to the hair strand. A lot of times these lice eggs or nits can be confused with dirt or dandruff. So if you really want to know whether or not you have head lice, I highly recommend you go to my step-by-step tutorial called How to Check for Lice. You can find that on my website, myliceadvice.com, and I'll also put a link in the description below. And if you do have lice and you'd like some help, then head over to myliceadvice.com. There's loads of free resources there, including a free house cleaning checklist specific to head lice. So that's it for today. Be sure to like and subscribe below. And if you have a comment, feel free to leave a comment. And if you have discovered lice, then head over there and check out that step-by-step video system. I'll see you there.